it's exciting for me to tell you guys that our office offers stem cell therapy. So basically, stem cells are cells that come from an umbilical cord that a mom has donated in the US, and it goes through vigorous testing, 14 different tests, and they purify it and they make sure it's in the purest form, and they give it to us so we can inject our patients with it. And it has 97 viability. So that means all the cells are alive, and once it goes into the body, basically it uses to stimulate the body to basically heal itself from damages from aging, trauma, diseases. So there's a lot of options, there's a lot of things we do with stem cell therapy in the office. Really, it depends if you're a good candidate for it. That's why we always offer a consultation, so that way you can come in and we can kind of sit down and hear your goals, look at your medical history, and see if you're a good candidate for this treatment. I'm excited to meet you and sit down and go over your goals with the treatment and see what you're coming in for, and offer you more information about this treatment. So give us a call.